Once upon a time, in a jungle, there lived a naughty little monkey named Toto. Toto loved two things more than anything: playing tricks and eating bananas. One day, Toto thought,
Today I will eat only one banana and then rest all day.
just as he sat down to eat his banana, someone behind him suddenly shouted a loud "Achoo!" Toto got so scared, he jumped up in the air. The banana flew up, then down, then spun around and landed right on his head. Who sneezed? It was Toto's friend, a parrot named Longlu, who kept sneezing because he had a cold. Toto got angry.
Hey! Why did you make me drop my banana?
His nose and said, "I didn't drop your banana, my sneeze did." Suddenly, Longlu sneezed again, a huge achoo. The sneeze was so powerful.
Your sneeze has
Toto's hair stood
superpowers!
straight up. The tree leaves shook, and an elephant nearby held his ear and said,
Wow, that's a magnificent sneeze.
Your sneeze has superpowers!
But I need a banana. Maybe then my sneeze will stop.
Toto quickly gave him a big banana. As soon as Longlu finished it, the sneeze, poof, disappeared. The jungle became peaceful again. But right after that, Longlu stretched a little and suddenly, achoo! And all the animals ran away again.